Hublai pi baro na kaliang kadudashan ken Shillong ipnyang subhai pi shikatup kubo mantaka janmiet shaban pai kubo gwe benya ini pet shwai ki mat bekongsan. Wanjungo Menteri Gatnat Jal Shakti u Gajendra Singh Shekhawat eka Meghalaya u lakmi halo ka jimpan traika mi skim ka soka pdeng ki bahap apo Gatnat. Leperda Menteri Rangba u Konrad Sangma ya ka jing rakhi ka jing dap shis pas nem ka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital. Dawa kiseng bahalang ya ka soka jala ban but dien halo ka jimpen traikam ya ka ILP bat ka jing kentup ya ka KHASI ha ka kernet bapra. Bat kem ki pulit ke Meghalaya ya saungut ke bedon keti ha ka jing tombor ha ka po bala pelong ya ka jing ya pat ba da ka seng FKJGP. Ki kubo ki bebenya Menteri Ketenat Kejal Shakti u Gajendra Singh Shekhawat mentaga sni ulolit jingo e karib hoi district ban khmi ya ka jingpen traika mi ki scheme beper. Menteri ulolit yishim benta haga program haga district library hapo nongpo bat ya kendu ya ki nongkit kam shnong na ki shnong beper halo ka jingpen traikam ya ka Meghalaya Community Led Landscape Management Project kamtam na ka benta ka jingpen ne ya ka Maryang. Ulasam ru ya ka cek ka ba shilak lai pun riu hajar tingka ka badai ka jing siu na ka benta ka jing trei jongka Maryang bala pentrei da ka MBDA. Hinin ka sengi unia Menteri ula khmi ru ya ka jing pentrei ki skim jong ka soka pedeng hapo ka tanat Jal Shakti Shillong. Ula penpau ya ka jing sngohun halo ka jing ya ki kam jong ka jing pentrei ya ka Jal Jivan Mission lane JJM ha Meghalaya. Ula ong ba ka jing le jong ka jela ka long na ka benta ka bha kamiat jong baro haduk menta ka jing pentraikam ya ka ne ka skim ka lakot sha komba Southway Point Sun na ka shispa.
We used to think, plan and progress in different aspects of water. He integrated all the divisions, ministries and departments because water is very, very critical for the future, for the development of the nation, for the economic development of the country.
Menteri Rangba u Konrad ke Sangma ne ka sengi ula pli perdai ka jing rakhi ya ka jing dap shis pas nem ka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital apalau jong ka ne ka hospital. Ha ringkat ka jing adon lang usembut Menteri Rangba u ba Preston Tingsong. Ha ka jing kren jong u Konrad ula ai khublei ya ka hospital halor ka jing la ban poisha u ne u mau jam. Ka ne ka deiru ka por ban pediang bat ngong hun bat ngongu ya ka jing trei jong Dr. H. Gordon Roberts u bala wan poi ha Shillong haus nem ka khandai spa khat lai ban sedang tang da i dispensary ibarat Mission Compound Shillong. U Konrad ulakan mau ya ki sngi bakhe ka klam COVID khat khandai ba ulapan pau ya ka jing ngongu ya ka hospital halo ka jing trei jong ka ha ka por jong ka klam. Ulakan tu ya ka hospital bakan yai trei ya ka kam mission ha ki dinjat u Dr. H. Gordon Roberts ban shakri ya ki breu da ka jing ka jing isnei ka jing IT lut bat ka jing thrang.
Central agencies, we will support this project. We will move this project internally. We hope that we will be able to get necessary funds, even if it means in a phase-wise manner. So from that fund, at least a small token of contribution I would like to hand over to our superintendent today. There's a small sanction letter under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for a small amount of 20 lakh rupees from my Chief Minister's Development Fund. I would like to just hand this over to our superintendent as a small token from my side.
Santli kiseng bahalang kila dawa na kasoka belayalam da ke NPP bat baro kin riu pungut ki nong mi khmat. Bakin ya kendu bat ya kren halo ka jing penslam kasoka pedeng ban shim ya karai halo ki atli ki rai be dei bat ka inline permit bat ka jing kentup ya ka ktien khasi ha ka krenet bapra jong kariti senshar kari. Hadien ka jing alang bat usembut Menteri Rangba u ba Preston Tingsong u President ke HYC u ba Robert June Karjaren ula ong ba u ba Preston ula pentep ba u Menteri Ketenat ka kampo yeng u Amit Shah ula banwan se Shillong hakini ki atayo banwan. Ki atli ki mat na ki khandai tli ki mat jing dawa jong ka HYC bat ki South li ki wei pat ki seng bahalang kata ka EJNC ka JSM ka HANM bat ka CORP hapo ka Shatri Safe Henyau Trap Mission ya ka bala pli pat ba dang shen. uba Robert June Kajaren ula ong ba kini kijing dawa kila sateng la slam ba ula kentu ya kasoka jela banra ya kini kimat sya kasoka pedeng.
On what is the portion of language resolution to the schedule to India. It's very sad to say that the Home Ministry till date, they could not give the concrete position of where it is. If it take 2-3 months to study Manipur, what is a big deal for Meghalaya? Why we have been modelists treated. We are also indigenous, they are also indigenous. If you could grant them protection, why not us?
Menteri Rangba ukon rat kisang ma hinin kasngi ulalej benishim benta ha kajingelang ka belalong ha raliang na kabenta lightly ke project ki ban penmento ya kathan laskin block ula pli perda yo mau tho kerteng jongka raliang greater water supply scheme bat thung yo mau nongrem jongka raliang fire and emergency service station bat ru ula pli perda ya ka raliang wayside amenities hapo ka swadesh darshan scheme jongka tanat jongok kai ha raliang. Hagan ke program Menteri Rangba ulasam ya ki khun snyang ki khun siar ki bahap apo ke progress belasam da ki check apo ke focus plus ke yes but NRLM CIF syaki nong yo jimentoy ukonrat ula ong bagasoka ke labu ya ki nong rap hakmat la thauru ya ke producer group bat komba saw point san lak ki long yeng nong rap bat ki wei ki la trei ya ki kam rap ki la yo jimentoy na ke focus program
different self-help groups. Close to 42,000 groups have been formed. Close to 400 plus crores has been distributed to these different self-help groups. And we heard the testimony and speech from so many of our women folks, and so many here are today to get more benefits from the schemes under the self-help group and NRLM program.
Menteri Rangba ukon rat ki sang mau la ong ba oba Gabriel ki yang rai ubade commander jong special forces 10 ula syakem ha kajing don kti bat kajing tei ya ki katu kat ni teli ki yeng balamang syakat pulet abakran baki nong thok khubor ukon rat ula ong ba on sepelong ya kajing bishar ka ba benya bat ka an kan sele ke bedon kam ula ong baki don ki jing keno halo kajing pendon kam bakla ya ka pisa bala pensyong nongrem halo ka ejahar bala mudui dek tanat pulet bala yo ya kajing benjur na kasoka banyak syakmat ba uba yang rai uba long u assistant inspector general of police administration ubarim ubala syakem na ka yeng sa jong u hadian kajing kenra daki pulet.
This is a completely different concern and different issue. This is regarding the construction of one of the buildings that was allotted to the police department. Hence now the process is on. The inquiry will take place, investigations will take place, the law will take its own course. And based on that, whatever has to be done, it will be as per the laws that have been laid down.
Sangwat ki brieu ki la syakem ha ki pulet halo ka jing keno ba ki don kti ha ka jing tombor ya ki brieu belui ha ka po bala pelong ya ka jing ya pat ba bala khot pelong da ka seng FKJGP ha ka ap pratarik urisau ha ka jing pelat khubor USP ke East Casials uba S nong tenger ula ong ba hadian bala itu ya ki nong le beman ki pulet ki la pelong ya ka jing thwet ha ki babon ki jaka ha ka miet ar bat lai tarik unai weng ha East Casials bat ribhoi Haga baki pulet kila yok ban kiam ya sangut ki brie ki badon keti kat baki weipat kila light pen. Ula ong baki brie ki bala syakem on selak bantian besar yaki haga bedai bat ki mukot dema bala ujor light umkra police station bat sadar police station. Halo kene ka jingkiam ukon rat ula ong bakala don ka jing twet ki saw lanie sangut ki weipat ki ba dang petri hadu mentah.
And these are people who have been identified based on videography, and these are people who were involved in the violence. As I had mentioned last time, that we had seen that there was a certain group of people, very small group of few people who were actually involved in this violent activity, and hence the search is on. And as I had mentioned earlier, that based on law, necessary action will be taken.
Mendapat ingin pet ya kajing long jumang kesum dengan Shillong, kajing shit kelong apulai point san degree Celsius, but kajing kreat kelong katway point pra degree Celsius, kajing sengam kau hau kelong nyopu an shispa menstep but prapun rian shispa jan miet, kajing hap slap kelong 0.0 millimeters, kala bandon kajing hap slap kaba malu malah ki katu kat ni ki jaka. Saksi sian pan i penkan mau ya pi baik ni ke kubo jungi pila ban page live ke YouTube channel bat ru pila ban page i kubo baman la ke sengi ha ke Facebook, Twitter bat Instagram jong ka di news shalong. Shaw ban poi shi ke bekut jong ke kubo ni page biang saksi sian ni kini kimat bakongsan. Wan jungo Menteri Ketenat Jal Shakti u Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ya ke Meghalaya ulah kemi hello ke jempen treka mi skim ke soka pedeng ki bahap hapo ketenat. Leperda Menteri Rang Ba Konrad Sangma ya ke jeng rakhi ke jeng dap shispa snam ke Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital. Dawa keseng bahalang ya kesora jela ban but dien halo ke jing pentrekam ya ke ILP ba ke jing kentup ya ke KHASI ya ke kernet bepra. Bat kem ki pulit ke Meghalaya ya sangut ki badan keti ha ke jing tombor ha ke po bela pelong ya ke jing ya pat ba da keseng FKJGP. Te parlok katungila poi shi bakut jong tup ke bo jing mentaga janmiet ha do mendisham plasai ke sengi ha ke jok po ku beshi boni pi baro.